Hello and welcome to my trickyJS JavaScript Exercises series. In this video, we will be going through this question. Which of these variable names is invalid? If you haven't answered it yet, pause the video now to choose your solution. Okay, so from all the options, example starting with the 3 is invalid. The reason for this is that variable names can only start with a $, an underscore, or a letter, not a number. Numbers are of course still allowed in variable names, just not at the start. In regards to letters, all the ISO 8859-1 or Unicode letters such as umlauts are allowed. Let me show you some further examples. I have the console in the browser open and I'm typing some potentially weird variable names in. As you can see, it only throws an error when I start the variable name with a letter. Variable names can even include Unicode escape sequences. In this case, U0068 stands for the letter H and U0069 for I, which translates to the word hi. To access this variable in my code, I can either reference it by typing hi or by using the escape sequence. I would generally not recommend to name a variable like this as it makes understanding your code harder, but I thought it was quite interesting, so I wanted to share. In the description, I have also linked some further resources in regards to variable names, including a variable name validator in case you need it. In the next JavaScript exercise, we will tackle this question. Don't worry, it will be the last one relating to variable names. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any comments below if you have any questions and I'll try to answer. Thanks for watching and see you next time.